This morning, the CDC announced confirmation of the second case of novel coronavirus in the U.S. and the first in Illinois.
Yesterday, the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention announced that there have now been 5 confirmed cases in the U.S., and we can expect to see more.
Now the Democrats are politicizing the coronavirus. And this is their new hoax. But, you know, we did something that's been pretty amazing. We're 15 people in this massive country. And because of the fact that we went early, we could have had a lot more than that.
And again, when you have 15 people, and the 15 within a couple of days is going to be down to close to zero, that's a pretty good job we've done. It's going to disappear. One day it's like a miracle. It will disappear.
Breaking news. The first death from coronavirus here in the United States.
A lot of people think that goes away in April with the heat, as the heat comes in.
Meanwhile, across the country, there are more than 3,700 confirmed coronavirus cases and 69 deaths.
I want them to be appreciative. We've done a great job.
The U.S. now with more than 119,000 cases and more than 2,000 deaths.
Why is it we don't have enough masks?
The virus spreads. There is growing frustration in some states as they struggle to find the supplies they need. Many say the federal government is just not doing enough.
I want them to be appreciative.
It's the Wild West out here.
Anybody that needs a test gets a test. When people need a test, they can get a test. Free coronavirus testing for all Americans.
Everything about the tests are very difficult to come by.
Because we've done one hell of a job. Nobody's done the job that we've done.
And there's no federal plan for this, so every state is on their own.
We tested far more than anybody else. No country is even close.
We've gotten just 33% of what we've asked for. And they've told us not to expect more anytime soon.
A lot of equipment's being asked for that I don't think they'll need.
Whatever because we've done, the big decision is shut down ever to
And this is their new hoax.
I want them to be appreciative.
Coronavirus deaths surging to over 10,000 in the U.S. Americans told to brace for the hardest times many will experience in their lives.
It's lucky that you have this group here right now for this problem, or you wouldn't even have a country left.
And sourcing personal protective equipment is still problematic.
We try to buy it. It's really hard. The federal government buys most all of it.
This pandemic is a war, and we need the armor to fight it.
As this coronavirus spreads, more than 160,000 cases in the United States, over 2,980 deaths. And we reached another tragic milestone today, the most reported coronavirus deaths in a single day, well over 500. This is our new reality right now.
Look, the biggest thing that we did was stopping the inflow of people early on. And that was weeks ahead of schedule, weeks ahead of what other people would have done. In fact, other people mostly would probably not have done it even till now.
And this is their new hoax.
A lot of people think that goes away in April with the heat.
A lot of equipment's being asked for that I don't think they'll need.
It's lucky that you have this group here right now for this problem, or you wouldn't even have a country left. I want them to be appreciative. We've done a great job.